Hello friends, I'm back today with another important cue card, right? So the topic is describe a long car journey you went on. So long car journey means it should be at least of 6 to 7 hours long. If you're just talking about 1 to 2 hours, so that cannot be considered as a long car journey. Then questions are when and where you went, second, who you went with, and third, why you went on that journey by car. So since the topic requires you to speak in past tense, you went means the topic is related to past tense. Accordingly, we have to develop a story in past, right? So the introduction is, as I'm not fond of traveling. Not fond of traveling means I'm not much into, or I do not like traveling a lot. So as I'm not fond of traveling, so I avoid long journeys. However, sometimes it is a social obligation that makes me travel. Makes me travel means it's because of social obligation, social responsibilities, it becomes necessary for me to travel and I cannot avoid this journey. Okay, so when it was just a couple of months back, I went to Sri Ganganagar, Rajasthan to attend the marriage ceremony of my cousin. So since my relatives, they are staying in Ganganagar, that is from a long distance from here, so I had to travel to attend that marriage. So I went with my whole family, my parents, my elder brother, my younger brother and I. So we all the family members went together. We started early morning. So why we started early morning? Because we wanted to avoid hassles of traffic. In rush hours, at that time we definitely get trapped into traffic. There might be a bumper to bumper traffic and we had to wait in long queue. So we don't want to go for that. So we decided to leave early morning. Then we opted for car journey. Opted means we chose. We decided to go by car for handful of reasons. Handful of reasons means for some reasons. So when you say for some reasons, instead of using some, we say handful of reasons. So the first one is flexibility of stopping anytime, anywhere. Because if we are going in our own car, we can stop wherever we want. Then the next is we kept comfort level in mind, since car is a quite comfortable and luxurious vehicle, so we can easily move from one place to another without feeling tired. And we had a lot of luggage. Another reason that why we have opted for car is we had a lot of luggage since we were going to attend marriage function. So we had different outfits and accessories for different programs. So because of that much luggage, we chose car. Taking or carrying all such luggage in a public transport was next to impossible. Next to impossible, when you say something is very difficult, instead of asking difficult, you say it was next to impossible. Then we halted. Halted means stopped. We stopped 2-3 times during the entire journey. Entire means complete. So during the complete journey, we stopped at 2 or 3 different places. First, we halted for breakfast, then for lunch. Then after a long and hectic schedule, these hours were like a quality time for all the family members. The hours here I'm talking about, the hours we spent on car journey. So these hours were like quite refreshing and galvanizing moments for us. We talked a lot, we had a lot of fun together. We were taking like selfies, posting the selfies on Facebook, then it might be playing Antakshari, playing any other kind of game, chatted for a long time. So it was all like a quality time for all the family members together and not engaged in any other activity except enjoying the time. So we had hilarious and amusing experience. Hilarious and amusing means when you say it was such a nice experience. So it is not a nice experience, which is a very simple word. You must say it was a hilarious or amusing experience. Then we reached at our destination in evening at 6 o'clock. Attending marriage and meeting with relatives after a long time was a stress buster and relaxant. Relaxant means an activity that gives you a lot of relaxation. Okay, so finally I really enjoyed that journey. I really enjoyed the marriage over there. Okay, so I hope now you can understand the topic. You have got the storyline in your mind and you can speak about it nicely. So keep watching the videos. Stay tuned. All the best.